I can decide to go to Haiti and then give clothes, food, all those things to Haitians because that's something they want. The question is what they really need, because we can give people what they want, but we never give them what they need. So arise, what we're doing, we're giving Haitian what they need. I can totally find people to donate 5,000, 5 million clothes and then send them to Haiti. Let me share with you an experience I had like 3 weeks ago while I was in Haiti. I was able to go in the street to visit the kids in the street. I was giving them hug and they smell so bad. They do smell bad. But can we do something about it? Yes. Can we give them clothes? Yes. But after we give them clothes, are we gonna give them washer and dryer? No. So we don't want to give Haitians something that will make them happy just for 24 hours. We want to give Haitians something that will make them happy for the rest of their life. So, arise, what we realize is that if we can teach people how to change their own mindset, they will change their own life. It's gonna happen. We are teaching people how to change the way they see themselves. Because I had a mentor who taught me how to see myself in the next 5 years, how to visualize my life in 5 years. So imagine every single kid in Haiti have access to a mentor, have access with the mentoring program, the mentoring center. Imagine how much impact this will make in people's life in Haiti. And that's why we stand with Haiti, to help change people's mindset. What I believe is that once you change, your life will change. Imagine if we change our mindset, we change the way we think, the way we see ourselves, your life will change. Today, we have a mentoring program in more than 15 areas in Haiti, where we are going to have mentors teaching those youth the principles, the things that will help them get out of poverty. It's like the kids in the street that I met 3 weeks ago. What they really need is to teach them how they can get out of the street, how they can get out of those situations of poverty, how they can discover who they are and discover that the street are not what they're supposed to do. They have something they can give better than staying in the street. Thousands of kids in the street in Haiti, they need to discover for themselves their true power, their potential. They need to know that this street is not what they're supposed to do. They have something they can give. They have something they can do. So we are teaching young people in Haiti to discover for themselves things they expect people to give them, to discover how they can become their own champion in life, how they can become successful. I believe in Haiti and I believe in every single Haitian. I believe that we all have potential. We have power to create our life, to create the kind of life we desire. But to do so, we need to learn how. By having a mentoring program in Haiti, I truly believe that the people will discover how they can make Haiti great again.